Namaste, Hari Om. Welcome to Shevadhi channel. Today happens to be the first day of the calendar year, so we would like to start off by wishing everybody a very happy, healthy and prosperous year ahead. We'd like to recite the Shanti Mantra and then delve into the actual topic of the video. Om Sarve bhavantu sukhinah Sarve santu niramayaha Sarve bhadrani pashyantu Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi Harihi Om. Now let us get to the actual topic of this video. Here we will be exploring one of the online resources for Sanskrit learning, an online dictionary which will help you to improve the vocabulary. So this has really helped me while I am learning Sanskrit. So that is why I thought of making this video. Let us go to this website called learnsanskrit.cc. Let us see how this particular dictionary works. So in this left hand side you see a box called translation. Under that there are three options: Sanskrit to English, English to Sanskrit, and automatically. And it's pretty straightforward, right? From the captions. So if you choose Sanskrit to English, so it will assume that whatever word that you have typed here is in Sanskrit and you want to translate it to English. Okay, and you don't have to type the Samskrita word in Samskrita lipi. You can also type that corresponding word, transliterated word in English. That will also work. And if you type a word in English and it will translate to Sanskrit, if you choose this second option, and if you leave this automatically option chosen as is, then depending on the word that you typed, this particular dictionary has the intelligence to detect whether that word is in English or Sanskrit, and it will do the automatic translation. So let us leave it in automatically word option, and then let's type a word. Let's say I want to look up the Samskrita word for the word wishes. So as you can see, since it is automatically option is chosen and wishes is typed here, it is actually it has come up with the word wishes in English. So I'm going to just, that is what I want to choose, and I can either click here or I can just say translate. So it is going to give me the results for that word in Samskrita language. So the very first word, right, Shubha Kamanaha. So that is exactly what I was looking for. Let's what does it mean? It also gives the meaning of that particular word in English. Okay, let us say that I want to wish somebody good luck or convey my best wishes. Then you have some sample sentences also here, and it also lists some of the synonyms that you can use for the word wishes. Okay, so this is it's a very beautiful way of learning Samskrita and also improving your Samskrita vocabulary, right? Here for example, convey my wishes to somebody. This second sentence, teshang krute mama shubhashayan nivedayatu. So here you know how to use that word, and let's say that you're wishing somebody, then you can say shubha kamanaha, comma, and name of that person. Okay, so and it also gives you all the different words related to that. Okay, and let us say that I want to use this Sanskrit to English. Let's say that I want to know the meaning of namati in Sanskrita. Okay, so it gives me the word Sanskrita. It also lists that in English, but since I have chosen that thing, Sanskrita is listed first, namati. So this is what I want. I can click on this, or I can also click on this translate, it gives you the options, what namati means. So namati means bend, or it also means subject or submit oneself, and bend or bow to, keep aside, and there are many different meanings. It gives you all possible things. Here it's a very nice way of learning the type of the word. Here namati, as you can see, it's listed here in small letters, verb. So namati is a verb, and within the brackets, flower brackets next to the Sanskrita word namati, you see the word as nam. So it is nothing but the dhatu, or the root word of the kriya pada namati. So you also get to know the root word nam. Okay. And let's say that I want to know what is the meaning of, let's say that I want to use this option now, English to Sanskrit, and I want to know how to say ask in Sanskrita. So I will type ask, and then I say translate, and it translates that, and it will give me the meaning. So ask is pruchhati. Okay. Here again, pruchhati is a verb, and prach. So this is the root word, or the dhatu of the pruchhati verb. For example, how to use that in a sentence. Don't ask anyone. Anyam kamapi na pruchhatu. Okay. And so the thing is, see how many sample sentences it has given you using the word pruchhati. Okay. So it is very easy to look up a word and learn more about that word, and the sample sentences really help you to use those sentences and improve your sambhashana or conversation skills in Sanskrita as well. Okay, so these are the different ways that you can look up the word. And now don't stop there, because it has many more sections, as you can see in the top of the website, right? Here it is, click on fables, let's explore that. Here what they have done is, they have put together stories, taking it from Panchatantra, Aesop's fables, and Hitopadesha, and also Jataka tales. So all these things, and you can just choose anyone, and let's see what happens. And here they have given the story related to the crow, because when we clicked on that particular icon that had a crow, and this is a tale from Panchatantra. It gives you the summary of that particular story, and then it gives you the story of that the chosen story in Sanskrita language. In fact, these stories are a very nice way to learn any language. So here, this particular thing, Kakasya Upayah, the trick of the crow. So Kakasya Upayah, Kaschana Mahavrikshaha Asit. Tatra ekah kakah patnya saha vasati. So there was one huge tree, and there lived a crow along with his wife. Okay. Tasya eva vrukshasya kotare ekah krishnasarpah api vasati sma. So in the same trees, hollow of the tree, krishnasarpa, basically a serpent, used to live there. Yada kaki prasuta bhavati tada krishnasarpah tasyaha shavakan khadati sma. So let's say that you read this, and if you are not sure about any of these words, the cool way of exploring the word's meaning here is just click on that word. I really found this tool very useful. That is why I'm stressing about different ways to use this online dictionary. So let's click on Prasuta. So it takes you to the actual, it just takes that into the dictionary, that page, and it puts that word into the text box, search box, and it gives you the meaning as well. Prasuta, right? So this is the word that was used. So it is, as you can see, it is feminine, prasuta. So what is the meaning? Woman who has brought forth a child. So here also kaki, that is female crow. Uh, that was the word that was used here, right? So prasuta, and then you don't have to go back and forth, you just scroll down, so it just appears right above that story, that you can continue to read the story. And here, let's say the Shavakan. So what is Shavakan? You can guess from the context, but let's be sure and click on that and explore that as well. Shavakan, that means young of an animal. So because Shavaka means a chick or a baby bird, or Shavaka can be used for any young of an animal. So it's a generic word, and that is the M is the, since it is a noun, M means it is masculine. It is pullinga, and Shavaka means baby. Okay. So, and then you can continue to read this story. Etena kakaha kaki cha mahad dukkham anubhavatah sma. So when you keep reading this, your vocabulary improves, and the reading skill improves, and also the way you can use different words, and this is how you can improve the conversation skill as well. So I personally found this dictionary very, very useful. That is why I thought of making this video for all the Samskrita learners out there. And let's explore what training section has. So here Devanagari and Sandhi trainer and sentence analysis trainer. So let us click on this, and here it is to familiarize with the Devanagari script and some transliterations and also basics of the Sandhi. And here we will explore this further in an upcoming video, because like you can I will show you another tool that you can use to type the Sanskrita words easily, and then we can come back to exploring the Sandhi. And then sentence analysis trainer. Why I'm skipping this is the focus is on improving the vocabulary and speaking skills and reading skills. So let us go to the sentence analysis trainer. So here, whenever you go here, you are given a sentence. Okay. So from Sanskrita, you have to translate the sentence to English. Okay. So before you do this show or hide translation, let us just read the sentence. Aham darpane spuritam mama swarupam drushtavati. So you can guess the word, and if you know the words, you can try to translate that. Or let's say you're not very sure about any particular word. Let's say spuritam. Okay, let's click on that. It gives me the meaning. Okay, possible meanings of that spurita. So radiance and sheen or swollen, different possible meanings. And then let's see, aham means I, darpane means, darpana is mirror. So let us say, so I caught sight of myself in the mirror. Okay. So here the sight of myself in the mirror. Spuritam is darpane spuritam. So what appeared on the suddenly arisen or appeared. Okay. Like you can use that, and also how it can be used in a sentence is also given here along with the sample sentence. When you click on the new sentence, it presents you with the new sentence, right? Bhavati ichchati chet aham kanichana apupani pizzaha cha paktum shaknomi. Okay, so that is the word. So apupa, it can be a cake or a sweet, and so that is the thing. If you want to be sure, you just click on that. Okay. So the apupa, so it's cake meaning. So bhavati, just go word by word. Okay. And then you can guess the sentence, and then to be sure to check your answer, you can show or hide translation. I can bake some pizzas and cakes if you want me to. Okay. So this is the, and then let's say that you wanted to look at the Shaknomi. So here again, be able or I can. So different things, and Shaknomi, how you can use it in different sentences is also given. So you can see here, Shak. Shak is the dhatu, and the word, the letter next to it, it gives you the dhatu gana. There are 10 different ganas of the verbs. That you will be learning in your Samskrita course. It starts with the basic level, so you can go you can start learning, but here it gives you, this particular dictionary gives you the uh, type of the word that you're looking for, and if it is a verb, it gives you the dhatu as well along with the gana information. And under resources, it gives you different possible sites that you can explore, and Sanskrit grammar, Sanskrit exercises, and you can just as you can see, different sites are there that you can go and explore further. So using these resources, you can improve your Sanskrit knowledge. I wish you all the best. So keep exploring. In the upcoming videos, we will be looking at a few more Samskrita online resources that you can use to obviously further your learning. So happy learning. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Dhanyavadaha.